Welcome to Networks Professionals.
Horns blaring, brake lights glaring, sirens wailing somewhere off in the distance. Look, we've all felt the chaotic, kind of overwhelming pulse of a typical city. But what if, right beneath that noisy, frantic surface, an invisible engine was working tirelessly to actually make sense of all the madness? Welcome to our explainer. Today, we're looking at how artificial intelligence is completely transforming our urban environments. Okay, let's dive into this.
What if your city could think? I mean, really think. Imagine waking up, stepping out your door into an urban environment that actively anticipates and responds to your needs. Instead of battling your way through a frustrating bumper-to-bumper morning commute where you're just staring at the license plate in front of you, you're navigating a seamless, data-driven ecosystem. And here's the crazy part. It's not some distant sci-fi dream. It's the reality of modern municipal engineering happening all around us right now. And this brilliantly illustrates the fundamental shift we're talking about today. We are actively moving away from the old city, gridlock congestion, staggering amounts of wasted energy, and entirely reactive infrastructure, and we're stepping into the smart city, a highly responsive, data-driven ecosystem that optimizes literally everything, from how we drive to how we power our homes. It is a complete paradigm shift in urban living.
So, here's our roadmap for today. We'll welcome you to the smart city. Trace a typical day by outsmarting traffic jam chaos, balancing the smart grid, and enhancing urban public safety, before wrapping things up with the future of our cities. Let's get right into it.
Section 1. Welcome to the smart city, the invisible engine. When we talk about artificial intelligence in urban infrastructure, we are not talking about, some sci-fi robot directing traffic. We're talking about a massive, data-driven ecosystem designed to seamlessly optimize city functions. It's this invisible, highly responsive web of analysis working around the clock, behind the scenes to make the urban environment run as smoothly as humanly possible.
Section 2. Outsmarting traffic jam chaos, reducing congestion.
Let's move to and see how this builds. Because AI relies on a really specific 3-step process to tackle everyday gridlock. Step 1, traffic cameras, road sensors, and even your own GPS actively gather data out there on the streets. Step 2, the AI instantly ingests and analyzes all those massive data flows. And step 3, the traffic lights actually adjust in real time. So instead of sitting at a red light for 2 minutes when literally no cars are coming the other way, just because of some pre-programmed static timer, the lights adapt to the actual volume of vehicles right then and there. It's a real game changer. Now, why does this matter so much? Because these real-time adjustments deliver an absolutely crucial dual benefit. The smart city actively reduces your commute times, actually giving you your morning back, and fewer idling cars means a massive reduction in vehicle emissions. So it's a much faster drive for you and a substantially cleaner environment for the entire community. A total win-win.
Section 3. Balancing the smart grid. Energy optimization.
Just as AI manages the physical flow of cars, it also manages the invisible flow of power. Through machine learning, which is essentially algorithms that predict energy demand, it balances smart grids dynamically. These systems actually learn the unique rhythms of the city. They know when we all boil our kettles in the morning, when we crank up our air conditioners in the afternoon, and they act smoothly and continuously behind the scenes to lower overall consumption and cut down emissions. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how incredibly granular this energy management gets. The AI doesn't just predict broad demand. It seamlessly integrates renewable energy sources exactly when the sun is shining or the wind is blowing. And it literally powers down unused streetlights and public buildings. Think about it. If no one is walking down a specific block at 3 in the morning, the city knows it and dims the lights to save power.
Section 4. Enhancing urban public safety, protecting citizens.
AI brings several precise capabilities to public safety as well. The technology enables predictive policing and real-time surveillance across urban sectors. Furthermore, AI-driven computer vision serves a vital role in monitoring the streets for accidents or environmental hazards, dramatically enhancing emergency response times when seconds count. It also actively assists law enforcement through real-time threat detection, deploying data-driven tools on a city-wide scale.
Section 5. The future of our cities. Real-world action.
So the crucial point is that this is not just theoretical modeling. It is happening globally right now. Organizations like the World Economic Forum extensively research and report on these exact data-driven urban innovations. They're tracking how major metropolitan areas are actively transitioning away from legacy infrastructure and moving toward these incredibly interconnected, AI-driven systems. Furthermore, if you want to look into this yourself, the Smart Cities Council is an excellent resource for digging deeper into the actual rollout of these technologies. They focus heavily on exploring these precise municipal AI strategies and implementations. They provide a really clear window into how city planners around the world are sharing data and best practices to build smarter, cleaner, and more efficient environments for all of us.
Which leaves us with this final thought. As AI truly becomes the nervous system of our streets, connecting our traffic lights, our power grids, and our emergency services into one living, breathing, responsive ecosystem, what will your city learn next? The next time you sit at a traffic light that suddenly turns green right as you approach it, well, you'll know exactly who or what to thank. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep learning and keep looking closely at the incredibly smart world around you.
Thanks for watching.